Tangem is a company that specializes in producing smart card wallets for cryptocurrencies. Tangem wallets are physical cards with an embedded chip that securely stores private keys for cryptocurrency transactions. The cards are designed to be user-friendly and provide a secure offline storage solution for digital assets. To use a Tangem wallet, you would typically need to purchase a Tangem card from an authorized retailer or directly from their website. Each card has a unique private key associated with it, which is generated securely during the manufacturing process. The private key is stored within the chip on the card and is never revealed to the user or anyone else. To access your cryptocurrency funds using a Tangem wallet, you would need to download a compatible mobile app that supports Tangem cards. The app allows you to scan the card using your phone's camera, enabling you to manage your crypto assets and initiate transactions. Tangem wallets offer several advantages. They provide offline storage, which adds an extra layer of security by keeping the private key physically isolated from online threats. Additionally, the cards are designed to be durable and tamper-proof, making them a reliable long-term storage solution for cryptocurrencies. It's worth noting that while Tangem wallets are a convenient option for storing and accessing cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to follow proper security practices to protect your funds. This includes keeping your Tangem card in a safe place and ensuring that your mobile device is secure and protected against unauthorized access. Please note that my knowledge cutoff is in September 2021, so there might have been updates or changes to Tangem's products and services since then. I recommend visiting Tangem's official website or contacting their customer support for the most up-to-date information. Let's delve into the topic of Tangem wallets more thoroughly. Tangem Wallet Overview. Tangem wallets are physical smart card wallets designed to securely store private keys for cryptocurrencies. They provide an offline storage solution that aims to enhance the security of digital assets. The key features and benefits of Tangem wallets include: physical form. Tangem wallets come in the form of smart cards, similar to credit or debit cards, with an embedded chip. This physical format adds an extra layer of protection by keeping the private keys offline and away from potential online threats. Secure chip. The private key associated with each Tangem card is generated during the manufacturing process and securely stored within the chip on the card. The card's chip is designed to be tamper-proof, making it difficult for anyone to extract the private key from the card. User-friendly experience. Tangem wallets aim to provide a user-friendly experience for managing cryptocurrencies. They often come with a mobile app that allows you to scan the card using your phone's camera, enabling you to access and manage your digital assets easily. Durable and long-term storage. Tangem cards are built to be durable and long-lasting. They are designed to withstand regular handling and usage, ensuring that your private keys remain safe over an extended period. Offline security. The offline nature of Tangem wallets adds a significant security advantage. Since the private keys are stored offline, they are not susceptible to hacking attempts or online attacks. This reduces the risk of unauthorized access and potential loss of funds. Using a Tangem wallet. To use a Tangem wallet, you would typically follow these steps. Purchase a Tangem card. You can obtain a Tangem card from authorized retailers or directly from the Tangem website. Each card has a unique private key associated with it, generated during the manufacturing process. Install a compatible mobile app. Tangem wallets require a compatible mobile app to manage the cryptocurrencies stored on the card. You would need to download the appropriate app from the App Store that supports Tangem cards. Scan the card. Open the mobile app and scan the Tangem card using your phone's camera. The app will recognize the card and retrieve the associated private key securely stored on the card's chip. Manage cryptocurrencies. Once the card is scanned and connected to the mobile app, you can access and manage your cryptocurrencies. This typically includes checking your account balance, initiating transactions, and viewing transaction history. Transaction confirmation. When initiating a transaction, the Tangem card may require you to physically confirm the transaction on the card itself. This additional layer of security ensures that you have control over your funds and prevents unauthorized transactions. Security considerations. While Tangem wallets provide offline storage and enhanced security, it's crucial to consider additional security measures. Physical security. Keep your Tangem card in a secure location, such as a safe or a designated secure wallet. Protect it from theft, loss, or damage. Mobile device security. Ensure that your mobile device is secure by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your operating system and apps up to date. Backup and recovery. Safely store a backup of your private keys in case of card loss or damage. Follow the recommended backup procedures provided by Tangem or the compatible mobile app. Authenticity. Purchase Tangem cards from authorized sources to ensure that you receive genuine products. Counterfeit or tampered cards may pose a security risk. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest security practices and any updates or changes to Tangem's products and services. Regularly review the official Tangem website or reach out to their customer support for the most accurate information. It's important to note that while Tangem wallets offer added security, no wallet or storage solution is entirely immune to risks. Always exercise caution and follow best practices to protect your cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Please note that the information provided is based on my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. For the most up-to-date information on Tangem wallets, please refer to their official website or contact their customer support. Let's explore the pros and cons of Tangem wallets. Pros of Tangem wallets. Offline security. Tangem wallets provide an offline storage solution for cryptocurrencies. By storing private keys offline on the physical card, they offer increased protection against online hacking attempts and unauthorized access. User-friendly experience. Tangem wallets aim to provide a user-friendly experience. With a compatible mobile app, scanning the card allows easy access to your digital assets, making it convenient to manage your cryptocurrencies. Tamper-proof design. Tangem cards are designed to be tamper-proof. The embedded chip securely stores the private key, making it difficult for anyone to extract the key from the card. This design adds an extra layer of protection for your funds. Durable and long-lasting. Tangem cards are built to be durable, allowing for regular handling and usage without compromising their functionality. This ensures that your private keys remain safe and accessible over an extended period. Accessibility. Tangem wallets are accessible to individuals who prefer physical storage solutions or those who may have limited access to internet connectivity. They provide a tangible and secure way to store and manage cryptocurrencies. Cons of Tangem wallets. Limited cryptocurrency support. Tangem wallets may have limitations in terms of the cryptocurrencies they support. Not all cryptocurrencies may be compatible with Tangem cards, which could restrict the range of digital assets you can store on the wallet. Physical loss or damage. As Tangem wallets are physical cards, there is a risk of loss or damage. If the card is lost or damaged without a proper backup, it could result in the permanent loss of access to the stored cryptocurrencies. Dependency on mobile app. To manage your Tangem wallet, you need to use a compatible mobile app. This dependency on a specific app means that the functionality and security of the wallet are reliant on the app's maintenance and updates. Additional cost. Tangem wallets may require an initial investment as you need to purchase the physical cards. While the cost is generally reasonable, it is an additional expense compared to software or online wallets. Limited availability. Tangem wallets may not be widely available in all regions or countries. This could make it challenging for individuals outside supported areas to obtain Tangem cards or access the associated services. It's important to carefully consider these pros and cons to determine if a Tangem wallet aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Additionally, I recommend checking the latest information from Tangem's official website or contacting their customer support for any updates or changes to their products and services.